Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's hot topic. Today I want to talk to you about blue light and blue light glasses. So digital screens, they emit this blue light, which have been found to have negative consequences on our eyes. And that can usually include eye strain, cause dry or watery eyes or irritated eyes. And blue light is actually known to sabotage your sleep schedule because it interferes with your circadian rhythm. It kind of throws it off, which your circadian rhythm tells you if it's nighttime, dark time, daytime, whatever. Now, unfortunately, most of us can't stop from using the computers, the tablets, our phones in our everyday life, especially now that the shelter in place is set and we're just using a lot more things at home. So how do we handle these negative consequences on these digital screens? One option that's become more popular are these blue light blocking glasses. Now, blue light blocking glasses are specially crafted lenses that they block out the filter of the blue light that are given off of those digital screens. The lenses say that they protect your eyes from the glare, reduces eye strain, can help reduce potential damage to your retina from prolonged exposure of blue light, and it also helps your sleep habits because, again, it's not the blue light, it's going to block it out so it doesn't affect your circadian rhythm. Now, because it's a newer thing, there's not been a lot of research that's been done on the efficacy of these blue light glasses. Most research actually suggests that eye strain and eye problems are more due to digital overuse rather than the blue light emittance. The American Academy of Ophthalmology has even publicly stated that you don't need these extra special lights, and they actually don't recommend any kind of special eyewear for computer users, especially prolonged. However, in that same breath, if you have them and you feel like it helps, then wear them. It's certainly not going to hurt you if you have these special glasses, if you're going to do a little bit more extra time in front of the computer. But again, if you are going to get them, just make sure you get them from a reputable source rather than like some random place like out the back of the car or something like that. Now, if you really don't want to spend money on those glasses that may or may not work, practicing good screen habits throughout the day is better. So here are some habits that you can practice that will hopefully help emit some of that blue light from them. So the first thing is a 20-20 rule. So every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This is just going to help your eyes relax because it's going further. Now, pay attention to the lighting in the room where you work. You may also try increasing your screen contrast, so that's going to limit some of that the glare that you have with your glasses. You can use matte screen filters or use any kind of screen that reduce the glare. You can use eye drops during the day if you feel like your eyes are getting dry, so you can keep your eyes lubricated, especially while you're working at the computer. And typically you want to sit at arm's length away from the computer, which can be about 25 inches away from the screen. So most people actually sit way too close, and that's why they experience some eye strain. So you want to make sure you move that back a little bit. Also, one of the big things is make it a habit to shut off all your digital devices at least 1 hour before you go to bed because, again, blue light has been shown to affect sleep. So you really shouldn't have your cell phones or tablets or anything right by your bed because it could affect all those. Some phone settings actually have a blue light setting, so that can help decrease some of that emittance. So if you have that, make sure you check into that, and that can help decrease and protect your eyes and, again, protect your health in general. So those are all the tips that I have for you about blue light and blue light glasses. If you want more information, again, there's not a lot of research out there, but you can find some places that do make them specifically. They don't seem to be too expensive from the research that I've done. I mean, like everything, you can find the extreme end versus the not so expensive end. So that's just kind of my take on blue light and blue light glasses, and I will see you guys next week.